Porto Fluviale is a large diner where Romans love to hang out. It's actually 5 places in one. The pizzeria, the trattoria, the bar, the lounge, and the street food corner. It sits in a huge former warehouse. The choice here is vast and there is something for everyone. This place sits in the Ostiense neighborhood, which is still considered pretty central in Rome. There's choice here to suit everyone. The trattoria offers traditional dishes from various Italian regions. The pizzeria has not 1, but 2 ovens, so you can choose between a Roman-style pizza and Neapolitan-style pizza. The bar is there for quick lunches and obviously aperitivi. There's also a street food kitchen for those who are hungry for some street food specialties from all over Italy. And finally, the lounge, where you can just order a drink and kick back. The place is virtually open non-stop, from 10:30 in the morning until 2 a.m. next morning. Make it 3 a.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. It all makes it perfect for larger parties because there is something for everyone. Still, you'll find plenty of couples and smaller groups here, mostly, but not exclusively, on the younger side. Cheers. Hot.
Abbiamo un involtino di salmone e formaggio caprino, baccalà mantecato, bombetta pugliese, salsiccia e cavolo nero, panza nella romana, sfornato di zucca, gorgonzola e timo, focaccia, capocollo in ghivia e stracciatella e acciughe del Cantabrico.
Grazie.
Buon appetito.
Grazie. Okay. That was a little fast. Let's go over it again. This was great. The choice here is vast, so we decided to go for assaggi. And assaggi means samples or tastings, which is basically an Italian variation of tapas. Buonanotte.